Hey y'all, welcome back to another video with your girl Net. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I came up with this delicious recipe with these Rice Krispie treat balls. And I added some caramel on top as well as some walnuts inside. So this is a really good recipe that you could do with your family and your friends. And I really like it just for like the holidays and stuff. So please, if you guys try it, let me know how you guys like it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by heating up my butter, which I'm using about a stick and a half. So while our butter is melting, I'm going to go ahead and add about a cup and a half of marshmallows. Watch y'all, this is so easy to make. Give it a quick stir. Gonna let this melt down. So this is how we want our marshmallow to look. And to this we're gonna add about 3 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. And you can use whatever cereal you want. But I'm using Rice Krispie. Gonna give us a good stir. And while we got this nice and hot still, we're gonna add some mini marshmallows just to give it a little texture. Give it a good stir. So now I line my tray with parchment paper. I already chopped up some walnuts, so I'm going to place them at the bottom, like so. And then I'm going to grab some of my So once we got all of our balls rolled up, we're going to place these in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to let them set, and then I'll be right back to y'all. Now I'm going to place some caramel on top. Just like that, here go the final look. Yum. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I really appreciate you guys for sharing, watching, and also subscribing. Until next time,